Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best fluoride-free toothpaste is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make for your oral health. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of fluoride-free options, exploring what makes a great toothpaste, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. We'll cover everything from ingredients and effectiveness to taste and value, so you can make an informed choice and achieve a brighter, healthier smile. Number 5. Boka Mint Nano-Hydroxyapatite Toothpaste. This is Boka Mint Toothpaste. It's designed for a superior oral care experience. It's perfect for the whole family. The innovative formula includes Nano-Hydroxyapatite, a key ingredient in your teeth. This helps to strengthen and protect your teeth. It's been researched for years and offers many benefits. This toothpaste is biocompatible and safe for daily use. It's non-toxic when used as directed. It's a great way to improve your oral hygiene. This toothpaste is gentle yet effective, perfect for sensitive teeth. It provides a soothing and refreshing experience. It's designed for a luxurious experience. It's free from fluoride, sulfates, parabens, artificial flavors, and colors. It offers an effective and safe option for your teeth. It keeps things simple and clean. Enjoy the refreshing mint flavor. It combines mint, green tea, and cardamom. It leaves your breath feeling fresh and revitalized. It's a unique and exciting flavor. What we like? This toothpaste features Nano-Hydroxyapatite, a key ingredient that makes up a large part of your teeth. It's gentle and effective, perfect for those with sensitive teeth. If you're looking for a toothpaste that combines enamel care with a refreshing flavor, this is the one for you. What people say. This innovative formula delivers exceptional cleaning and sensitivity relief without fluoride, making it perfect for those seeking natural dental care. The Nano-Hydroxyapatite technology is remarkable. It naturally remineralizes teeth while providing gentle yet thorough cleaning. My teeth feel noticeably smoother and cleaner after each use, with a fresh, polished sensation that lasts. Number 4. Boka Kids Watermelon Mint Nano-Hydroxyapatite Toothpaste. This toothpaste is made without fluoride, sulfates, parabens, or artificial flavors. It's designed to be safe and gentle for children's teeth, ensuring a worry-free brushing experience every day. It contains Nano-Hydroxyapatite, a special ingredient that mimics tooth enamel. This helps strengthen their teeth, keeping them sparkling clean and healthy. With exciting flavors like watermelon mint, brushing time becomes the best part of the day. Kids can enjoy a new favorite flavor, making oral hygiene fun and enjoyable. This toothpaste is gentle yet effective, providing a soothing and refreshing experience. It's perfect for growing smiles, ensuring little ones stay happy and healthy. Experience a juicy burst of watermelon with a cool mint finish. It provides a refreshing, long-lasting brushing experience, leaving their mouth feeling clean and revitalized. What we like? This toothpaste uses Nano-Hydroxyapatite, which is also used by astronauts. It's designed specifically for kids, with fun flavors to make brushing enjoyable. If your kids are picky about toothpaste, or you want to make brushing time fun, they'll love this. What people say. Boka toothpaste is very mild and makes brushing your teeth better. It doesn't have that harsh mint flavor which with most toothpastes feels like it's burning your mouth. After having used it for a few days, I decided that I will keep using the Boka brand from now on. Number 3. Designs for Health PerioBiotic Toothpaste, 3-pack. This toothpaste is formulated with a unique combination of ingredients. It supports tooth enamel strength, overall oral health, and a brighter smile. It's also suitable for sensitive teeth. It features hydroxyapatite and hydrated silica. These ingredients help promote natural remineralization and a bright smile. Using it daily may help promote healthy tooth enamel. This toothpaste contains probiotics to support oral microbiome balance. It also includes purified silver and CoQ10 to promote oral wellness and healthy gums. This helps keep your mouth feeling fresh. It uses cocoa betaine sourced from coconuts for foaming and cleansing. This provides a gentle formula without sulfates. You get a non-gritty, foaming toothpaste. DFH is the #1 practitioner supplement brand recommended by functional medicine professionals. It is also the #1 practitioner supplement brand personally trusted by them. You can trust this product for your oral health. What we like. This toothpaste uses hydroxyapatite for whitening and supports gum health with probiotics and CoQ10. It also promotes a healthy oral microbiome. If you're looking for a toothpaste that goes beyond just cleaning teeth and supports overall oral health, you should consider this. What people say. Not only do my teeth feel noticeably cleaner and smoother, but after using it on my 4-year-old for just 2 weeks, I'm already seeing improvement in a small cavity he had. The taste is very mild, which is saying a lot because my kids are extremely picky about toothpaste flavors. They don't complain at all with this one. It foams up nice when brushing your teeth. Leaves my breath smelling fresh. I also love that it contains natural ingredients and silver for antibacterial support, which gives me peace of mind when it comes to oral care. Great texture, mild taste, and wonderful performance. We love this toothpaste for over a year. Number 2. Red Seal Baking Soda Toothpaste, Herbal and Mineral. Experience a burst of invigorating freshness. This unique formula is crafted from plant and mineral extracts. It ensures a fresh and revitalizing sensation with every brush. This toothpaste aids in plaque prevention. It promotes a healthier smile while being fluoride-free. It provides a comprehensive oral care solution without unnecessary chemicals. Your well-being is our top priority. This toothpaste is crafted without synthetic colors or artificial flavors. It's paraben-free, vegan-friendly, and cruelty-free, aligning with your values for a pure dental care experience. Choose a holistic approach to dental health with this non-fluoride toothpaste formula. It ensures effectiveness without compromising on your preference for fluoride-free oral care. Crafted with precision using Nature's certified natural ingredients. This toothpaste guarantees an authentic oral care experience. It reflects our commitment to quality and transparency. What we like. This toothpaste uses a baking soda formula for plaque defense, and it's also vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. It provides a fresh and revitalizing sensation with every brush. If you value natural ingredients and a holistic approach to dental care, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The toothpaste effectively cleans teeth. The product has a pleasant taste. The toothpaste leaves the mouth feeling fresh. Number 1. Wellnesse Hydroxyapatite Toothpaste. This Wellnesse toothpaste offers natural whitening. It's fluoride-free and uses hydroxyapatite to naturally whiten teeth and strengthen enamel. It helps remove stains, restoring your smile's natural brightness. The hydroxyapatite in this toothpaste helps restore minerals to your teeth. This rebuilds enamel, making them stronger and more resilient. It is ideal for maintaining healthy teeth and supports long-term oral health. This toothpaste supports gum health with xylitol and other natural ingredients. It reduces plaque, soothes gums, and neutralizes bad breath. This leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean. If you have sensitive teeth, this is perfect for you. It safely removes stains from coffee, tea, and wine. It strengthens and protects your enamel, providing a brighter smile without irritation. Enjoy a burst of refreshing, long-lasting fresh mint with every brush. This toothpaste cleans your teeth and leaves your mouth feeling fresh and invigorated all day. The mint flavor ensures a clean, rejuvenating sensation. What we like. This toothpaste offers natural whitening with hydroxyapatite and supports gum health with xylitol. It also strengthens enamel. If you're looking for a toothpaste that whitens gently while also caring for your gums and strengthening your teeth, it's a great option. What people say. The toothpaste effectively cleans teeth. The product has a pleasant taste. It leaves the mouth feeling fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.